मेरे चैनल पे देख लेना।
वहीं से डाउनलोड करता हूँ।
तू कॉपीराइट के नहीं कर देगा ना, क्लेम कर देगा।
I should go pee before we go.
Hurry up.
Yes.
Hurry.
Har det fallit ifrån några eller? Det är inte så många som ni hade sagt från början eller?
Jag tror vi har det var en mindre, för de har kommit lite, har vi blandat. 4 personer kom aldrig.
Then they make electricity of the water. I will tell you more about that later here on the tour. I will wish you a good tour here and welcome on board. And if you have any questions, called Rötleån. And in 1845 and 1846 they lowered these lakes by 2 meters because they wanted some more farming land in the area here. And when they have done that, they saw where you could dig channels between these 4 lakes. And one of these channels we are going up to here today. So we are going up. Yeah, here is the bridge we are seeing forward. This bridge is quite low. As you can see, the lowest point is in the middle of the bridge. And we will go on the right side of the middle. So here you have to sit down and bow your head. There's not much space here. And I also would like if we could move some passengers over to this side, please.
All of us?
Fine. That's fine. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. 5 is the speed in the channel here.
This is so exciting.
Okay guys, sit down, bow your heads, be careful, it's not much space here, okay?
Oh, my head is my head is already. Wow.
Woo!
Okay, everybody have their heads left?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, we're inside the channel. Free seating, then we do the same thing when we come back again, okay?
Awesome.
Yeah, this channel is hand-digged by prisoners in 1846. And I don't know if you're familiar with John Bauer, a famous artist here in Sweden. He lived here at Lake Bunn a couple of years of his life. And this channel is his inspiration source. And if you're not familiar with him, you should Google him tonight when you come home. He was famous because he illustrated a lot of mystique in the woods, trolls and fairy tales and stuff like that. And this is his inspiration source. So I will tell you more about John Bauer later when I come out on Lake Bunn again. But it's good to know this is his really inspiration source. And in these days, the energy company, Jönköping's Energy, they own the channel here. They use the water here for the electricity. And they also own 1 meter at each side, and that's why we can keep all these trees hanging out so beautiful over here. And they really like that there are boats going through here. It's the boat to keep this channel open. They haven't digged it out for over 100 years, so it's the boat doing this.
Traffic.
Woo!
They are done in plastic, or else there's sugar, coffee cups, and you have milk. And there are tea water in that one. And you have tea bags here.
Do the other boat get the same service?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You just want to feel special.
Ah, yeah.
Never share with people there. Just pass.
Good job.